Sounds like William just got one. Guess I'm gonna head over there and see him. We're at 8:30. Got a bird down. Got a picture of it and everything already. So, that's awesome, man. Nice.
I understand why you like turkey. You're hard to keep going.
Man.
Came off the farm here. I found it. I can't remember whether it was here or the other place. And the knife is made out of a dump truck, a concrete truck, bearing race.
Huh.
And I forged it. Tested for sharpness, right?
Oh,
I'll let you just don't hurt yourself. And just cut, and you'll feel at the bottom of that fan. You just don't want to cut the fan, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And I'm gonna let you do it.
Oh, Lord have mercy. So,
just cut like straight up the backbone. All right, let me do it.
yeah.
see what you think about that before I mess something up. Okay.
Oh, you're doing fine.
Okay.
A few of those feathers, but I can't see.
Sweet.
That's you. And then, so you still got all kinds of that right there.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's the he needs like 10 of them. It'll last him a year.
Mm-hmm.
So
You want to pull a bunch of that out. Of course, I always just clip the legs off with, you had to go get some cutters to do it, but I always clip the legs off. And sometimes I'll cut them like that and save the spur.
Mm-hmm.
Some people do it on a string, but I've never done that. I don't know why, but anyhow. And then you just take your, what you do, you just pull that out and you can feel right there.
yeah, lop it off right
And
behind.
you don't want to cut the hairs, you want to cut right in behind it.
Yeah,
right there.
I can do that. That's easy enough.
And then you just breast it out like a dove, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can do that. It's gonna take off way too much, but I'm doing it on purpose. Took off too much.
Hey, that's fine. He may want some of those feathers too. He may. It actually, that tenderloin in the middle of it is the best.
Yeah, try to get where I see a little. I've done a lot of dove back in the day. A lot of them suckers.
And you see where that bone right there, you
Yeah.
just start anywhere on that bone and
Okay.
just start going.
Alright, so you're saying start here, go in.
Yep, just beside the bone right there. Just come off to the side.
Oh, I got you.
That's it.
Yeah, there it is.
Should just peel right
Yeah,
off.
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the top. I was thinking it's
Yeah.
the bottom for
No,
some
that's,
reason.
that's the top.
Okay, and that makes life a lot easier. I wasn't feeling the bone.
Yeah, it should just slide right in there against that plate. If you be careful, you won't get into that gut cavity.
Yeah, I'd rather not.
He's kind of fat, wasn't he?
Oh yeah. He was kind of fat.
I have tried it every way I can imagine. And Marie's got to where she'll cook it in soups and do chicken and dumplings.
Oh.
Yeah. And she does the Mimi style. She's actually, and I know this is going to sound sacrilegious, but she's actually improved on Mimi's chicken and dumplings. And her chicken and dumplings were awesome.
I might bring it over to your house. Did a heck of a job. A big old chunk of meat.
Yep.
Oh, I did that. But
So that's it. That's one side. Yes, yeah.
yeah, no joke.
I bet he was a 23, 24 pound bird.
Big old bird, that's a butterball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet he was. Try to twist him that way.
Life is short.
We did it in the men's study group thing that was called Iron Sharpens Iron. And over at Cats who was doing it, and I was just helping him with it. We had a ball. A lot of fun.
I love the Burketts. I played football with his son. I still keep up with him.
Yeah, you can't hardly beat Earl.
No, you can't